Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. Today we are going to learn about network topology and this is my second video for network topologies. Let's continue with our ring topology. Ring topology, as you see in the diagram, it is like a bus topology but with the connected points. The node that receives the message from the previous computer will retransmit to the next node and the data flows in only one directional, so it is unidirectional. The data flows in a single loop continuously, known as an endless loop. Ring topology, it has no terminated ends because each node is connected to other node having no termination point. Data in a ring topology flow in a clockwise as only one direction is going on, unidirectional. And the most common access method of the ring topology is token passing. Token passing, it is a network access method in which token is passed from one node to another node. What is a token? Token, it is a frame of circulates around the network. What are the advantages of ring topology? Network management. Faulty devices can be removed from the network without bringing the network down. Product availability. Many hardware and software tools for network operation and monitoring are available. Cost, that is twisted pair cabling is insensitive and easily available. Therefore, the installation cost is very low. Reliable. It is more reliable network because the communication system is not dependent on a single host computer. Disadvantage, the difficult troubleshooting. It requires specialized test equipment to determine the test faults. Failure, the breakdown in one station, it causes to the overall network failure. Reconfiguration difficulty, that is adding new devices to the network would slow down the networks because one system is connected to the other system. Delay, communication delay is directly proportional to the number of nodes. Let's continue with the star topology. What is a star topology? Where all the hosts in the topology are connected to the central device. So this is the hub device using the point-to-point connection. In this point-to-point connection between the host and the hub, these are all hosts. It is a form of star. Star topology is an arrangement of the network in which every node is connected to the central hub, switch, or a central computer. The central computer is also known as a server, and the peripheral devices attached to the server are called clients. Coaxial cable or RJ45 cables are used to connect the computers. Hubs or switches are mainly used as connection devices in a physical star topology. And star topology is very popular, most popular in the network implementation. Advantages, efficient troubleshooting, network control, limited failures, familiar technology, easily expandable, cost effectiveness, high data speeds because it supports the bandwidth approx 100 Mbps. Let's see the disadvantages of the star topology. The central point of failure. If the central hub or switch goes down, then all the connected nodes will not be able to communicate with each other. The second disadvantage is cable. Sometimes cable routing becomes difficult when a significant amount of routing is required. So this is star topology. Overall, star topology is hub based. The star may be a local network area topology where all the nodes individually connected to the central connection point, that is hub. The number of links required to connect node in the star topology is n. That is, n is the number of nodes. So this is it for the video. Do like and subscribe our channel if you like our video.